Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. What up, guys? Thank you so much for hitting that play button, because you definitely didn't have to. Really appreciate it. Welcome to Kadisha Cooks. I am Kadisha, and thank you so much again. Those who truly know me know how much I love food. I'm a true foodie at heart. All kinds of food: Jamaican, Indian, Chinese, everything. If it tastes good, that's where I want to be, and that's where I'm gonna be, you know? Like, subscribe, follow my Instagram page, Kadisha Cooks, all in the description below. Alright, today we are going to be making the Taco Bell crunchy wrap. My version, of course, and hopefully yours, because I want to see how you would do it. Make sure you tag me, and let's get into it. Enough of this talk, and we're talking too much. I'm actually hungry in real life, okay? So let's go.
Look at those stacks. These are stacks I like to see. Yes. All right, let's get into it. So first, we're gonna slice and dice our tomatoes. So pretty. And then I got the live lettuce here. Make sure you wash this thoroughly because there is dirt on the bottom. So I bought this lettuce washer from Amazon, and it dries the leaves like pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like when the lettuce is wet. So I got this little gadget here, and it does the job. So I'm going to take the leaves off of the lettuce head here and throw them in the lettuce washer and wash it thoroughly. See? You see the dirt? Yep. So then we're going to rip up the lettuce in smaller pieces. Wash it. And as you can see, all the water has drained at the bottom. And then we're gonna grate our cheese. And I like to prep all my ingredients beforehand so it's easy to assemble at the end. Just a little tip. So I got some onion and garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, half an onion. I already cut off the ends of the garlic heads, and I'm putting it in my other little gadget here, my little garlic chopper or dicer, whatever. Yeah, I just, you know, if anything to make cooking easier, I'm down. So this is pretty good. I love it, easy, clean. It really does dice it up, and my fingers do not stink. You know how it goes. And then we're gonna slice and dice our onions. And this is definitely optional, but I put some corn in there, peaches and cream. And then we're gonna go ahead and fry our ground beef. Make sure your frying pan is on medium-high, have it heat for a bit. Then we're gonna add the garlic and onions. Stir that up and add our seasonings. So we got the black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, taco seasoning, and for a little kick, I added some cayenne pepper, just to give a little kick. Now again, with ground beef, I mentioned this before, but I always add the seasoning while frying my ground beef because it doesn't make any sense to do it the night before because it does not hold your seasoning. Ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna end up adding more seasoning once you start frying it. So about 20 to 25 minutes, this is how your ground beef should look. So we're gonna lay down our ground beef, put down our corn, got the cheese sauce. Now what I did with the cheese sauce was add a little water, put it in the microwave, and boom. I couldn't find the circular taco shells, so gotta get creative. Broke it in half, and boom, we got a circle. Okay. Then we're gonna add the sour cream, lettuce, tomato, and all the cheese your heart desires. And then we're gonna put the smaller soft shell on top, and then we're gonna fold that side up, that side up, that side up, and boom, flip that bad boy over. Perfect. And then we're gonna add some oil to our frying pan. And we're gonna put that face down so the bottom closes up. Make sure you check before flipping because you don't want it to be bun up. So check that. Flip it to the other side. And perfect. Look at that. The cheese is all melted on the inside. You want to make sure you give it enough time to melt. I'm going to say about 1 to 2 minutes, medium high. And oh my gosh, do you see that cheese? Wow. She looks happy. Yes, sis. Oh, look at her eyes light up. Yes, it's real good. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Ooh, look at that. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm getting hungry all over again. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you do happen to try this recipe, please make sure you tag me, Kadisha Cooks. And we're out. Thank you again. Mwah.
You want the Kadisha Cook.